blankets tangled, your face aglow. Snow whispers soft against the glass. This moment, I want it to last.
By the fireside, just you and me. Coffee, steam, and a Christmas tree. Wrapped in paper, scattered on the floor. I couldn't ask for anything more. Your laugh rings like a holiday tune. The scent of pine drips through the room.
Hands reach for a gift, a little surprise, but all I need is in your eyes.
The world outside's a frosted haze, but here with you, it's endless days. By the fireside, just you and me. Coffee, steam, and a Christmas tree. Wrapped in paper, scattered on the floor. I couldn't ask for anything more. Stockings hung, the candles low. Your heart beats all I need to know. Every ribbon, every bow leads me back to you.
Morning light paints the room so slow. Blankets tangled, your face aglow. Snow whispers soft against the glass.